You forgot your cap. Yeah?
Yeah. It's alright.
You walk to the right?
Yeah, yeah. Because you're too close. That lens is not for you to get close to things. From here, yes. You have to know when you're using a...
Oh, this is perfume if you want your aftershave.
Annika, I just want to walk now.
Oh. I thought your aftershave
The fact that you keep stopping already.
That we take it slow.
Yeah, but you keep stopping in the middle.
That's what it means, slow. Right or straight?
No. Go to the image.
The drunk and dumb. The drunk and dumb.
You may have been promised a street view, I think. But maybe that's the street. You still see streets.
Now this is called street view.
Yeah.
To me, even as an ocean view, it does. I don't know what we got.
That's why sometimes you don't need to complain. Belgian bar here. Now it's called Bleary. No, it's another one.
You can hear it. It's in Dutch. There's a VTM news. It's VTM news.
You want to go to the Belgian? On your way back, when the knees are stronger.
Okay.
Casino.
I don't go to Belgian pubs in Belgium either.
I'm not looking on the floor, it's not the cleanest floor. We are not meant to stop. The Chinese temple.
Must have cut this tree or what?
Yeah, probably.
Or it came down? Or... Because this was a huge tree. There's nothing left of it. It's a shame. Look what they're doing.
Interesting. It looks like, how do you say?
Yoga or something.
Yeah, of sorts.
It's a bit more sophisticated.
Yeah.
Watch out, this grass.
is if you want us to stop or you want us to keep moving.
And Palaigo down there.
Yeah, and Palaigo.
I never realized that those were toilets.
They have all these antennas.
That's why I never realized that they were toilets.
Yeah, I thought it was kind of electricity cabin or
Yeah,
something.
me too. Exactly. We've never looked in this shop, have we?
Yeah, for now we're walking just to be awake. One of the reasons you told me I couldn't exercise at the hotel is that I would be walking. You have to choose which side. No, keep going.
We have discount in the shop for our hotel.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Watch out. Left or right?
To the right, since you choose that side of the road. We have this.
Is this new, okay?
Yeah, the next one. Yeah.
Primo. That's new. That's not where my shop is. No, my shop is there.
Do you prefer the shops or do you prefer the ocean view? Because you have the ocean there. It's really hot, actually.
Yeah. And it's even the coldest.